Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Welcome to Chrisstillbetalkin, the only K-pop reaction channel in the whole of YouTube. Because facts. And welcome to part 4 of FX Week. Today we have ourselves a special video. Also, several of these were requested. One of them was a music video. We've got 3 live performances. I want to give a quick shout out to 2 comments from yesterday's video. One of them was by Livy Ahel, Livy AL. They said, I don't know if anyone recommended, but you should really check out live performances of Chu, their second single. The song is pretty cute, but the choreography is one of the most detailed and fun to watch. So I thought we would definitely check that out. And then another comment said here by Seraphim Gypsy. When FX originally debuted, SM intended them to be a dance-heavy girl group, so all of them are very talented dancers. I believe the direction shifted into more experimental songs and less intense dancing. However, songs like Chu, Four Walls, and several others really showcase their dance skills, so I'm glad to be checking them out today. So hopefully you guys will enjoy those recommendations and also those comments as well. If you do want to leave your comments down below, feel free to do so. If there's any questions that you want to answer for me, feel free to help me down below in the comment section. I love reading them out in future videos, and also leave recommendations for future content as well. If you do want more content, feel free to check out my Patreon, as I'm hella active over there. Yesterday I uploaded Street Woman Fighter episode 7. That was quite a long reaction, but really enjoyed it, so feel free to check that out. And I also checked out Channel Sochi episode 6. So there's always content on the Patreon, but in general, that's kind of like the rough schedule of the content that's uploaded on my Patreon. Link down below, Patreon Chrisstillbetalkin for extra content. Almost 600 videos over there. Now, we're going to start off with the Chu music video, and then we're going to watch different live performances. We have a bonus video at the very end, so keep your eyes out for that as well. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do hit a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay. The Chu music video. Love that we're starting choreo heavy. Sleeping Beauty. Hey. Bringing that groove that we love. Let's go. The song is so catchy as well. I'm gonna call it Mr. Chu, but I don't know why, but it's just Chu. This is the thing, sometimes you need to have music videos with subtitles. Unfortunately, this one didn't have it, but I think back then, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think they were actually putting on many subtitles, especially if the music videos were on their own channel. But if it was like on a different channel, like LAKEY, then sometimes they would have subtitles. But those, the reactions to music videos on LAKEY are also quite troublesome anyway. I wonder how close to the debut this song was. Dun 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 dun. Hey! Got me thinking I'm gonna start doing some locking. Gee, that was cool. Woo! Coming with that footwork as well. Alright, this whole sequence here. We're going to be checking this out, a live version of this later as well. Look at this. Bum, bum, bum. What? Really love that whole sequence there. Chu. Hey. That was hella smooth. I do love those kind of choreos. 1 second. Like that whole transition going backwards here. Boom. Changing my levels. Did people ever use this for advert? What? I can imagine everyone in a club going off doing like that whole jump sequence. Yo, the flexibility. 1 second before Amber came through. So who is that in the background who does the splits but backwards? There. Like, you know, I have to take a screenshot of that. Oh my goodness, that is actually kind of crazy. Yeah, who was doing that split right there?
I got a little pen, pick up the slack. You wasting time with the chit chat. You can't so give it all you got.
Hey, let's go, Amber.
Take it, take it.
Dun 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 dun. What? Hey, let's go. Bringing in some acrobatics in this choreo. I love how in this music video we like literally they've been doing constant choreo as well. Bum, bum, bum. Bringing that groove the whole way through. Like an aerobics workout. Jeez. Hey, come on, they have so many moments in this that are just like pause worthy. Like, look at this. Like the whole from the go up section. Dun, dun, dun. I want to try to get that from here. Go up. So no, was it? Jeez. Once again, showing the back flexibility. Had to take a screenshot of that as well. That is so cold. Sheesh. Alright, yeah, I see why that was requested. Okay, so what else? So this is something I definitely need to see live as well. But yeah, that was the Chu music video. Do let me know your thoughts down below, your thoughts on the choreo and the music video as well. And also, is this the first time you've heard this, or have you heard this before in the past? And when is your first time hearing it? So the next one we're going to be checking out will actually be a MAMA 2015 concert clip of FX's 4 Walls. So let's check that out together. So we have seen a 4 Walls live performance before, but this is like another one that was also requested as well. So I'm gonna peep this. Wait. They already started? Oh, a little bit of a slow-mo. This is a great build-up, great start for this. Hey! Jeez! Pops included as well. Talk about a smooth start, yeah. This is like a remix of the start. Hey! Oh my goodness, this whole remix, not remix, but obviously we've seen the 4 Walls performance before, but like with this, was it Amber? I think that's her name. With Amber's like rapping solo at the beginning to kind of lead us into it. Into dun, 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 dun. It's almost like it's been remixed now. Oh my goodness, let's go. The way that they like individually one of them started with like the chest isolation that way, and which did a knock-on effect to everyone else doing the chest isolation, to then do like a lower body isolation to bring the legs in to realign themselves, but with everyone else doing that as well, so it's like a knock-on effect. Like these kind of things in choreos I really love. So like, especially when it's done as a group. So they're all the arrangement here. Top half isolation, and the legs come back. Oh, here it comes. Nah, they really know what they did there. Come on, look at this. Hey. Is that motif as well? Oh, also lowering down as well while doing that. Jeez, look at that. Nah, they are going off. Oh my goodness, like from well, the whole choreo, but from here. The timing. Wait. They snapped into that formation nicely. Wait a moment. Not yet. Jeez, taking a screenshot. Oh my goodness. God. Dun 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 dun. Hey, dun dun dun. Ooh. He's so fluid with movements as well. I love the use of their arms as well to really kind of extend themselves. So when you're watching it from like a distance, especially with like a dark background, you can just see all the whole arrangement so clearly. Oh, here comes chorus one more time. This song is such a banger. Oh. Once again with the arm motifs. Oh, the wave. So elegant. So flawless. Look at this. Look how smooth. I think it's her. So like from here. Just look how smooth everything is. Wait. From here. Jeez. Hey, going off. That whole choreo is cold. Hey, you know what? That song being added to the playlist. The song is amazing. Love the performance. I love the different versions of it. Like, this is the thing, is it's interesting to see when like idols and groups perform a song for like in their own like tour, and sometimes how they will switch it up as well for when it's like the MAMA or the MMA awards, things like that. But yeah, let me know what you think of this. But hopefully you like as much as I did. I think that's fantastic. And yeah, now we're gonna go to the third one, which is Airplane at M Countdown 2013. So yeah, let's check this out. Okay, this was also requested. Okay. Might be a deep one. Ooh. There's higher notes right there as well. Once again, great use of the arms and extensions. Oh. Everyone's slowly coming up.
Come with me. Airplane. Love.
What? Don't me. Airplane. Love. I didn't know what to expect with this, but once again, they got themselves a catchy chorus and also using like that this time using the R motif of wings of an airplane, which it makes a lot more sense to this, especially with more dancers, more backing dancers as well. They can really create the visuals, especially when you're looking from like a bird's eye view of this choreo. Jeez, even hey, let's go. I really love their choreos, you know. It's like a nice balance where it allows them to also be able to give as much energy as they can with the vocals. So it doesn't like, the thing is, once the choreo gets too intense or has a bit too much going on, you have to think a lot more. And if that thinking can take away from like the actual vocals, or if it's like a choreo that's like quite intense or a bit heavy, then that can also take it out of your breath. So this is like the kind of choreo where they can keep the pace and the energy, but also they also maintain the feeling of the song as well, which is really nice. It's just so soft. Cheers. Let's go. I feel like the confetti must have like scared them as well. Like, hey, yo, we knew it was going to be serious, but not like this. But overall, what a great ending as well. And for the final one, it was actually something that was requested in a previous video. I think maybe in part 2 or even part 1 when I mentioned the SHINee, and mention him once again. So basically, the final video will be SHINee and FX. Hello. Let's check that out. Let's go. What? Hey. What year was this? If I remember correctly, I think this is Key. May have to do a SHINee, bring SHINee Week Part 2 back. Look at young face Taemin in the background. Literally, just as I said it, he comes right in. Nice jokes. Hello. Hey, Young Minho. Hey. Bringing that smooth choreo. Let's go. Of course, Minho had to come with the charm. Ooh, the harmony there. I love how they sounded when it all came together for the chorus. You hear? I know. Ooh. Just small, subtle. I think I'd heard that like they were like the brother and sister pairing. Was Minho always that tall as well? Hello. I swear, if a phone company had not used this song at any point, they were missing out. That was like the best kind of song to use. Smooth with it. Minho with the rap. A group pairing. Well done. Oh, yes, even that I can use that. I was like, okay, what section of this live performance am I going to use for the thumbnail? But yeah, what a lovely song. It was really sweet. It wasn't necessarily, it felt like if it was like a well-balanced song where obviously there's a lot of the members, there's all the members there, so what it allows them to do is have individual moments where it focuses on like some of their strengths as well, and then it all kind of shine together in a chorus where not one person necessarily stands out more per se, unless it was shifting into the some of the harmonies and some of like the partnered back and forths and stuff. But yeah, great song. I would love to kind of, I might have to hear it on, see if they've got that song on Spotify, just to see how it sounds like that, because obviously this is a live performance. And what I do like is that you can hear that it's them like actually performing it, because sometimes like, I don't know, I feel like it gets to a point where you don't know how much has been like altered by like the studios or the labels and stuff, but with choreos like this, and then you can also hear it through the microphones, just how sweet it is and how well it just meshes together when they're doing like their harmonies. And sometimes like it just sounds more raw, and I like that. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on that. But that's amazing that they had a collaboration. I feel like they've had several other collaborations. I saw one when I was getting this. That was a collaboration with BAP, so I might need to check that group BAP. So if you know anything about them or any recommendations, do let me know. But thank you so much for making this fun to the end of the video. You're absolute legends. If you do want extra content from myself, feel free to check out the Patreon, as I have over 600 videos. Yesterday alone uploaded episode 7 of Street Woman Fighter. Also uploaded episode 6 of Channel Soshi. Constant content. You can pretty much expect that amount of content, so there's something in each tier, something for everyone. Hopefully you guys will check it out, link down below. Also feel free to go on the previous parts, as this is part 4. I'll leave a link somewhere there, yeah. That'll take you to the previous FX part. So if you're watching this for the first time, feel free to check out part 3, part 2, and part 1 as well if you're part of the fandom. Anyways, thank you so much for your support. You're absolute legends. I'll see you guys soon. Chrisstillbetalkin. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Peace.